Namaste students, myself JVN Brijesh Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Today, students, I have prepared this lecture for BSc B.Ed JBC first semester. Paper name is Diversity of Microbes. Today, we are going to deal with oscillatoria. Students, as you all know that since last 10 days we are discussing about algae, and in that particularly blue green algae. In this blue green algae section we have studied general character of blue green algae, occurrence of blue green algae, classification, some of the examples of blue green algae. Now we'll have to study specific genus in details. Okay, and in your syllabus there are three genera: oscillatoria, nostoc, and spirulina, which you have to study in detail. So today's task is to study oscillatoria, life of simplest filamentous blue green algae. As you all know that oscillatoria is a cyanobacteria, so it is a prokaryotic in nature, means it doesn't have those cell organelles which are found in eukaryotic cell. So let's start with systematic position, that is class Cyanophyceae, order Oscillatoriales, family Oscillatoriaceae, genus is Oscillatoria. Okay, so these are the systematic position. This is not important for theory class, but in practical you should have to remember this systematic position, because on the basis of that you have to describe specific genera, that is in spotting or in specimen forms. In our lab there is a permanent slides of these genera, and you have to observe under microscope and identify, then followed by commenting on that. Okay, and that comments also include systematic position. Oscillatoria name is derived from oscillation. In physics you might have studied oscillation means swinging. Its trichome used to swing left right, that's why on the basis of that nature this name has been given oscillatoria. Students, again I am saying, similar to other lecture, you have to write this thing in your comment box, why oscillatoria name has been given. Okay, just in 2 or 3 lines you note down so that I can get. Okay, is very common in moist place which are rich in decaying organic matter. Such common places are pond, streams, other stinging moist places such as roadside, ditches, drains and sewers. Means they are mostly aquatic, we know that, and they found in such places which are decaying. Okay, now characteristic and morphology. Oscillatoria is represented by 100 species. It is one of the simplest filamentous blue-green algae. It forms a thin blue-green mucilaginous coating of the surface or edges of the object under flowing water. Some of the species are found in association with nitrogen fixing bacteria. One species found from hot spring location, and some nitrogen fixing bacteria associated species of Oscillatoria are Oscillatoria princeps, Oscillatoria formosa. Okay, some other common species are Oscillatoria formosa, splendida, lomosa, and prolifica. At least 2-3 species name you should remember. Now regarding filaments, it is consist of a single row of cell forming trichome or unbranched filaments with a very thin gelatinous sheath. Students, gelatinous sheath or capsule or slime is a characteristic feature of cyanobacteria. Their whole body is covered with that. Okay, the cells are broader than longer but cylindrical. This is the morphology. All cells of a filament are similar with the exception of apical cell, which is convex at the top. In some species, it may end in the subacute point or be more or less dilated. Okay, these are the things we have already uploaded in your portal. You can go through that. Just I am discussing here those important and crucial parts of this oscillatoria. Okay, now this is the morphology. A is the trichome, which is made up of series of cells. B is the single trichome structure. You can see these cells are more broader than longer, means rectangular shape is there. Each cell has dense cytoplasm. C is the magnified structure of single cell. There is a double membrane, granules, vacuoles, synchroplasm, chromoplasm, cell wall is there. Okay, these things are written in text. You can go through that. All the cells have well developed cell wall. We have already discussed, and we can see in the diagram the cell wall is consist of an inner thin cellular layer of medium peptic layer and outer mucilage. Well defined nucleus is absent. Why? Students, this is the question for you people. Why well defined nucleus is absent in oscillatoria? Please write your answer in comment box. I will wait for that. Mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi bodies are also absent. The protoplasm consists of peripheral and central cytoplasm. Pigments are found in the periphery, so it is known as chromoplasm. Okay, several small granules are also present. Pseudovacuole is additionally found in some cases. Glycogen like substance is the reserve food material of oscillatoria. Few oil drops may also be found stored as a reserve food, means their reserve food material is glycogen, but apart from glycogen few oil drops are also. Okay, this is all about morphology and cellular composition. Now about reproduction, that is life cycle of oscillatoria. Okay, so it is restricted only to the vegetative reproduction. We all know that sexual reproduction is entirely absent in cyanobacteria. So only vegetative reproduction is there in oscillatoria, which takes place with the help of hormones. Students, if you remember, I have taught you in nostoc there is a structure hormogonia which take parts in the reproduction. So similar structure also found in oscillatoria which take part in the reproduction by vegetative way. Okay, hormones are a part or lengths of filament separated from the filament by the formation of separating disc. Heterocyst and resting spores are not protosts, means they are absent. Do you know, students, what is heterocyst? I will wait for this, that you note down, you write about heterocyst in comment box in 2 lines. Okay, these are some of the questions for you people, so that you can involve in the study. Okay, next, the trichomes which break into pieces accidentally give rise to new fragments. Okay, and these fragments develop into new plants by cell division. Asexual and sexual reproduction is entirely absent. For sexual we have already discussed, and asexual is also absent over here. So students, in this way we have seen the structure, location, habitat, some species, ultrastructure of cells, and reproduction of oscillatoria. So students, in this way we have finished cyanobacteria. On next turn we will start true algae, that is chlorophyceae. Thank you very much.